Everyone, myself Amol Ladvikar, Avionics instructor in HL Pravara Aviation Institute. Today we talk about the aircraft exterior light system. Okay, here we see the different lights on an aircraft. Okay, control panel. Okay, you see the strobe light, beacon light, switch, wing illumination light, navigations and logo light, runway turn off light, landing light left hand side, landing light right hand side, and taxi light. Okay, I explain each light one by one. Exterior light, in general term, serve one of the three purpose. First purpose is to make the aircraft more visibility to other aircraft. Second is to improve pilot visibility during critical phases of flight. And third is to provide illumination for some other specific purpose. Here we see first strobe light. Strobe light. When installed, strobe light are usually positioned near the trailing edge of the wing tip and may also be installed on the tail of an aircraft. Strobe are high intensity white light which flash at a regular interval. They are normally turned on when entering an active runway for takeoff and turn off when leaving the runway after landing. Okay, so here we see strobe light 1. It is a right wing tip. Then strobe light second, tail section of aircraft. Then third strobe light is left wing tip. Okay. Then I operate strobe light by using a control panel. Then we see second lights, navigation light. Navigation light consists of red light on left wing tip, green light on right wing tip, and white light on the aircraft tail section. Dual systems are often installed to provide redundancy in event of a bulb failure. In aircraft equipment with the beacons, the navigation lights will normally burn steadily, whereas in aircraft without a beacon, the navigation light will flash. Okay, here we see navigation lights. Right wing tip, green color LED. Left wing tip, red color lamp. And tail section, nothing but a vertical stabilizer. It is a white color LED. When I on, then we see the beacon light. Then we see the beacon light. The aircraft beacon lights are red in color and either flash or rotate to provide the pulsating warning lights. They are normally installed in a pair with one on the top of fuselage and other on the bottom. The beacon is normally turned on prior to engine start and turn off after engine have been shut down. Here we see beacon light. And at the bottom I operated beacon light. Then we see wing illumination light. Okay, wing illumination light are mounted in a fuselage and are aimed to illuminate the leading edge of the wing and engine pylon section. They are often used during the hours of darkness for aircraft pre-flight inspections and for illumination during the engine start, and they are used in flight as on required basis, often to see if there are any accretion of ice on leading edge of the wing. Then we start करेंगे. They can be used flight as required basis, often to see if there is any accretion of ice on leading edge of the wing. Okay. Then we see logo lights. Logo lights are generally mounted on upper surface of horizontal stabilizer and add to illuminate the company marking on the tail of an aircraft. Okay. Then we see taxi light. Taxi lights are a medium intensity lights which may be mounted on the nose landing gear strut in aircraft nose or at the wing roots. They are used to provide illumination of a taxiway during the ground operation. Next, runway turn-off light. Turn-off lights are similar to taxi light, except they are mounted on an angle positioning to the left and right of an aircraft nose. These lights will illuminate taxiway or obstruct on the either sides of the aircraft. Lastly, we talk about the landing lights. Landing lights are high intensity light to illuminate runway surface for takeoff and landing, and also to facilitate the aircraft being seen by other pilots. These lights may be wing landing gear strut or fuselage mounted. In some installations, they are mounted in the leading edge of the wing behind a clear fairing, while in others, they are extended and retracted from a cavity in the wing or fuselage. Depending upon the regional norm, landing lights are either switched on when entering active runway or upon receipt of a takeoff clearance. Thank you.